All right, let's take a quick look at this thing. Start off with the battery compartment. So it looks like this just has two 12-volt batteries. Looks like they're kind of big ones, two big 12-volt batteries. That'll be nice because usually they have four 6-volt batteries. Let's take a look on the other side. All right, let's pull this cover off. Kind of a nice design. Okay. Not in the greatest of shape, but it appears as though everything's there. We've got a battery charger, hydraulic fluid reservoir. There's our electric motor, electric over hydraulic pump, and our solenoid block there. Let's get a closer look. Take a look at the wiring here. Wiring all appears to be intact. It's pretty corroded, but you know, everything's pretty corroded, but it looks okay. Looks like it may work. I hope it works. Let's take a look in the control area. $750 platform capacity, that's pretty nice. Has the extending platform, presumably that's a dead man switch of some kind. So we'll throw some new batteries in this and see if we can get it to work. Okay, we're gonna take out the batteries, and I have a jump pack, couple extra batteries, so we're gonna see if we can get this thing to work.
What is this?
I've already filmed I've already pre-filmed about this item.
Edit it out.
I'll be leaving that. Woo, that's a big onion. Woo! And action. It's still rolling?
I cut it and then re-rolled it.
Cut. Okay, we got the temporary test batteries in. Let's see if we get this thing to work. Okay, good news. It doesn't work. It works. Woohoo! Hopefully I can come down. Okay, well, looks like I got lucky in that it is working. Very exciting. Let's see if it will travel. Here we go. me see if the lower controls are working. Still no lower controls. I'll bet anything that this is a safety switch for moving this lift, getting it to travel. So let's see if we can cut this and crimp the wires together and see if we can get this thing to travel. Okay, cut. It's like a crab, like eating crab. Gotta get the meat out from the inside. I'm assuming that when you press the pedal, it causes this circuit to make, which then allows you to travel. Hopefully that's the case. Glad I have plenty of good road noise here. There we go. Okay, let's give that a try. Check all my connections down here. Everything looks good. Okay, so it looks like that may have been the problem. We got right steer. See if we can get it to travel. Okay, so it looks like that was the problem. Okay, shall I take this, why don't I set this on some level ground and put it up in the air, see how it feels. Okay. I'm gonna just move it a little bit. think this one will move while it's up in the air. I don't know if I'm on level ground. I don't want to take it all the way up, but it seems to be working really well.